Success is something that is built. Success is something that takes time. Success is not something that you wake up one morning and you have achieved or you have made a huge stride or step towards it. As in, unaamka asubuhi, jana ulikuwa hivi, and you expect tomorrow ukuwe umeachieve so much. As in, success ni kitu ina take time. Ni kitu you have to plan your life in a way that you'll bring a lot of positivity towards achieving it. I would say success is one of the greatest gifts that anyone could have, because with that progress in life, then that means your life is better placed in terms of how you handle issues, how you approach to different people, how you approach to different situations in life. For anyone who yearns for success, then you have to be a good planner. Think about what you want to achieve in life. Think about what you want to become in life, and plan ahead. Be someone who likes to plan their lives, what you want to achieve, what you want to do. For instance, if you wake up in the morning, what do you want to do that day? What do you want to achieve by the end of that day?